In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Chrome profile name. If you use Chrome profiles to keep work, personal browsing, or shared family sessions separate, giving each profile a clear name makes switching faster and less confusing. I'll walk you through the process, explain what you're seeing on screen, and share a few quick tips so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening Google Chrome and looking to the top right corner of the window. You'll see your profile icon. This might be your photo, an initial inside a colored circle, or a generic avatar. Click that icon to open the profile menu. This is your hub for switching between profiles, managing settings, and checking whether you're signed in. In the profile menu, choose Manage Chrome Profile. Depending on your version, you might see Manage Profiles or a small gear icon that leads to the same place. Clicking this opens the Profile Picker window, which shows all the profiles set up on your browser. In the Profile Picker, find the profile you want to rename. Each profile appears as a card with its name and icon. Move your cursor over the card to reveal a three-dot menu in the corner of that profile. Click the three dots to open more options for that specific profile. Select Edit. This brings up the editing panel for the profile. Here, you can change details like the name, and in many cases, you'll also see options for the profile's theme color and icon. Click on the Name field to activate it. Type the new name you want to use. Something short and descriptive works best, like work, personal, school, or shared. Make sure it's clearly distinct from your other profiles so you can spot it at a glance. In most versions of Chrome, your change saves automatically as you type. If you see a Save or Done button, click it to confirm, then close the window. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If your new name doesn't appear right away in the top right corner, close the profile window and reopen that profile from the picker or relaunch Chrome to refresh the label. If you use Chrome Sync, the profile name typically stays local to the device, but the icon and theme help you recognize the profile across computers. If your browser is managed by an organization, some settings may be restricted, so you might not be able to rename that profile. And that's it. You've renamed your Chrome profile, making it easier to keep your browsing organized and separate.